If you want to change your Steam microphone mode, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to open Steam, find the voice settings, and switch your mic transmission type in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want better control over when Steam hears you, whether you prefer push to talk, open microphone, or push to mute. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click Steam. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens Steam's main settings panel, where you can change audio and voice options. On the left side, click Voice. This is the section where Steam manages your microphone and voice transmission behavior. Once you're in the voice settings, look for the option called Voice Transmission Type. This setting controls how your microphone works inside Steam. If you want Steam to only hear you when you press a key, select Push to Talk. If you want your microphone to stay active automatically, choose Open Microphone. And if you want your mic to stay active until you manually mute it, select Push to Mute. Take a moment to choose the mode that fits your setup and the way you communicate while gaming or chatting. After you've selected the option you want, click OK to save the change. That's it. Your Steam microphone mode is now updated. If you need to go back later, just return to the same voice menu and switch it again whenever you want. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how clean and controlled your voice chat sounds. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Steam guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.